overnight, and it's still kind of wet now, and it seems that if I get involved with the dirt now, it'll be tracking all over the house. So I'm just going to do some very light stuff today. Do some cleanup here. I might go ahead and set the next post, the last post. For now, I'll just get rid of the soil. And also want to level up that sleeper and put those 2 sleepers in. And that'll be finished the short part. Want to make some good bricks. This is the clay you need. This is the first time I've actually got to be able to dig a hole. I didn't need to use a bar. The clay was not too sticky either. It didn't stick to all the tools. But most of the times this clay is just a nightmare. These are done, I guess. Still have to rebuild this wall. These short sleepers are in at this angle, but the wall continues at an angle like that. And for me to continue, it's got to turn the corner. Sleepers are normally 3 inches wide, 80 millimeter. This is unusually narrow at 2 inches or 50 millimeter. So 3-inch thick sleeper would miss. It'd just come out of here because it's the wrong angle. So I've got to weld an extension onto here. I've got some more iron that I bought, and I'm going to cut a piece of that off up there. I'm going to weld this on. It's going to give me another roughly 2 inches here, 1 3/4 inches, and that'll be enough to hold the sleepers in place. I got this steel real cheap because they're offcuts, about half price. But what I have to do is, this one's too short. This would be the end of post, and that's how far it needs, well, 600 is about here. That's how far it needs to stick out of the ground. I'm going to weld this one onto it, out the bottom, and that should be strong enough. It'll be in concrete. It's not really holding back that much. And then the other thing is, I'm going to cut this whole flange off. And this is going to be what I weld on to that middle post, where I'm turning the corner. there. Good there. Good there. Well, none of that was any fun, but we succeeded putting a second post in. It is level with the other post. It's leaning back half a bubble. It is 500 millimeter from, there's a line, it's just about invisible now. And it's perpendicular. We've got that welded on. Got the sleepers in, even though I had to take out a few more rocks. It's always fun. The end of day 4.